Hey, if you're looking for a newer and better home for you and your family, this home may just be for you. This community is entirely brand new construction, but there's only a few left, so we have to move on this one quick. Hello and welcome back, or if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Stephanie Hernandez. I'm your local real estate agent here in sunny Arizona. Subscribe to watch more of my videos where I discuss the top neighborhoods to live in and the latest new construction news and options in Arizona. Let's begin our tour. The model we are touring today is called Erikson, and it is in the community called Tierra Montaña Discovery Collection by Taylor Morrison. This community is located in Laveen, Arizona, which I will give you a little bit more insight towards the end of the video. This home is a two-story home at 2,373 square feet. It has the option to choose between 4 to 5 bedrooms and 3 to 4 bathrooms. As we step into the home, we are greeted with an entrance hallway. If you take a left, we will visit the first bedroom and the first bathroom. This bedroom is a decent size and it has a small walk-in closet. The bathroom across the bedroom is convenient, and I like that it's not directly attached to the bedroom. That way, all your guests can use it too. Further down the entrance hallway, you will see the stairs to the left, and then you merge into the living room and the kitchen. If you're looking for an open concept floor plan, this is a very good layout. Everything here feels proportional to each other. In the living room, you can fit a large sectional sofa plus 2 lounge chairs. In the kitchen, there is a walk-in corner pantry and lots of lower and upper cabinet storage. Off to the left of the kitchen, you have a dining space. This table is a 6-person dining table. Again, it feels very comfortable in here and there's lots of space to breathe and it does not feel tight. As we head to the second floor, if you've loved what you've toured so far, could you do me a huge favor and leave a heart emoji in the comment section? I'd truly appreciate that. Now back to the tour. Coming off the stairs, you have a loft, and for me, lofts always bring up happy memories because at my family's home, we had a loft and it was just the coolest place to hang out. Now we are in the primary bedroom suite. Here are the dimensions so you can go compare this room to your current bedroom. This room is 13 feet by 16 feet. It is very spacious. And of course, you have to have your very own private bathroom. This bathroom has dual sinks, a huge walk-in shower, a private toilet room, and wow, even a bigger walk-in closet. On the second floor, you will also find the laundry room. And across from it is the third bathroom. And lastly, you have the third bedroom. And the fourth bedroom. Let's take a quick peek at the backyard. What's so great about a 2-story home is your backyard will typically be a lot bigger compared to a single-story home. Another perk is most new builders will offer a backyard landscape package, but if you rather design at your own liking, your backyard can be completely empty for you to build the backyard of your dreams. The base pricing for this floor plan Erikson is $471,990. If you want to personalize and select your own architectural and interior finishes, of course, the purchase price will increase. If you'd rather buy a home that's considered a quick move-in home, meaning you won't have any opportunities to customize or personalize, however, you know that the home is fully and ready to be moved into, you can expect the sales price to be around $506,000. If you know you want to buy a new construction home, it is so important you have a real estate agent to represent you. Because if you go to the sales office and you go view the models without a realtor, you might not have the best experience, and worse, you might even lose money. I don't want that to happen to you, so reach out to my trusted real estate team and we will guide you through your new construction journey. Last but not least, let's briefly take a look at the local community. The HO fee is very affordable for all the sweet amenities you will receive. There are community lawn spaces, basketball courts, there are several outdoor playgrounds, there's a dog park, and there's also a pickleball court. As you commute outside of your HOA neighborhood, Laveen has plenty to do, especially outdoors. You can always go on a hike at the Phoenix Mountain Preserve, or you can spend a day indoors at the Cesar Chavez Library enjoying a good book. What I love the most about Laveen is that it's a small neighborhood that's tucked away from Greater Phoenix. However, you're still well connected because you can jump on the 202 freeway that can take you anywhere in less than 30 minutes. So if you want to keep learning about Laveen, in this next video, I'm going to go into a lot more description and insight about the community as a whole. So I suggest you watch that next. Otherwise, thank you so much for touring with me. I'll catch you in the next one.